Hey, it's Milena from the Designest, and I'm here to share another handy tutorial. Today's video is dedicated to Photoshop Actions, the super useful tool serving as a true time saver for many projects. Well, what are actions usually used for? They're extremely advantageous, mostly in two cases. First, when we have a set of repetitive actions which are very complex to be performed multiple times. And second, when there are several objects requiring the same set of changes to be applied. And this is exactly the case we're going to work with in our video. Alright, using this rectangle, I'll show you how to create, apply, and save Photoshop actions for the future projects. We're about to change the corner radius so as to turn it into a circle. So here we have a rectangular shape with the size of 2000 to 2000 pixels. In order to generate an action, we go to Window, Actions, and create a new file. I'll name it Radius 999. Now the real deal begins. As soon as we press the record button, all operations applied to the object after that will be recorded as one action, for the future replaced with any object, which allows editing of corner radius. Okay, we select the shape, open Properties panel and set the rounding radius. It will be 999 here, the possible maximum to get a circle. And that's it! We finished the simple action in the Actions panel at hand. As a result, we've got a prepared action ready for use. Now we can try it on the other file with these rectangular shapes. Seems to be so much work, but what we actually have to do is to choose the object and play the action for it. Like this. So we choose the shape and run the action. Run the action a couple of times. See? It's significantly quicker than applying the changes and editing the properties for every shape in particular. That's how it's done. By the way, don't forget to save your action. Choose the folder with it, and in the contextual menu we can press Save Actions. Then choose the direction where we need this file to be and save it in ATN format. Excellent! So we have it all saved, and let's see how to import it back to Photoshop. It works the same way with any action which you've bought or downloaded for free and want to implement to your work. In the same Actions panel of the contextual menu, we're looking for the Load Actions button, find the file we need, and then import to our document by opening it. That's it. Sweet. Let's check whether it still works or not. Bring back the rounding radius of this shape and select our action. Play it. Yeah, it still works perfectly. Today we've shown you how to work with some basic Photoshop actions, and in our next video we'll show and tell about our favorite premium and free actions which can be found online. So stay tuned and thanks for watching!